Hello children, good morning. Children, in yesterday's session we already discussed about the solid shapes. Okay, today we are going to do the exercise. This is exercise 7.5. Open the page number 145. Okay, write the number of faces for each solid shape. Okay, this is which shape is this? Cylinder shape. This cylinder has dash circular face and dash curved face. Here we'll be having one cylinder, but here for these cylinders we'll be having three circular faces, but coming to this we'll be having only two circular faces. And how many curved faces? Only one. Okay, now a cube has dash square faces. Yes, one. A cube has dash square faces 6. Yes, a cuboid has dash rectangular faces. Cuboid and cube is having same, but the opposite, here the opposite sides are equal, here all the sides are equal. Okay, a sphere has dash curved faces. Only one curved face. Yes, now turn the page. Yes, look at the objects and name the solid shape. Okay. Yes, what is this? Eraser. Eraser is in which shape? It is in a rectangular shape. Okay, means cuboid. This is what? Rubik cube. This, okay. This is in which shape? Cube. Rubik cube. This is, okay. This is what? Bat. Which shape this is? This is not bat. I think this is a candle. Sorry. Candle. Candle is in which shape? Cylinder shape. This is a birthday cap. Cone. Yes. Rolling, sliding and stacking. And coming to rolling, sliding and stacking means few objects, few solid shapes will roll, few solid shapes will slide, few will use to stack. Okay, what they will look here. Okay, when a solid shape moves by running over and again, it is called rolling. Means if we throw a ball, it will roll. Yes, is it true? If we throw a cylinder, it moves like this. See, like this. Like this, it's roll and go. Okay. Yes, children. Yes, sliding means sliding is when a solid shape moves smoothly against something. Shapes that have a flat faces can slide. Okay, flat face it can slide. Okay, this like erasers, sharpeners. Okay. Stacking means arranging the same solid shapes one above the other cuboid cylinder. Okay, this one on another. This means stacking. Okay, arranging the same solid shape one above another, like books. We use books to stacking. It's like this. If we arrange the books like this, what we call this? What we call this? Stacking. Yes, like this. We'll stack na? Like this. It is called arranging the books one after another, means stacking. Okay. These are the shapes. Roll, they can roll, but these are the shapes they can slide. These we use to stacking cuboid cylinder. Okay, now coming to exercise 7.2, put the correct sign in the correct column. Solid shapes. Solid shapes. Here, what is this? Sphere. Sphere can roll? Yes. It's a no. Cone. Cone can roll, slide and we can stack. Yes. Cube. Cube can slide, roll? No. It can slide and stack. Okay. Yes. Here one exercise has given for you. What do you observe about the objects that can roll as well as stack? Okay, as well as slide. What are the objects can roll as well as slide. Do you observe? Yes, cones and cylinders. Cones and cylinders can roll and slide. They both have curved face. Okay, they both have curved face. Okay, cylinder and cone can roll and slide. Okay, cylinder coming to cylinder. Cylinder can roll, slide and can stack. Okay, these three types: roll, slide and stack. Okay, do these exercises and read the lesson once, Nana. This is very different compared to other lessons, Nana, because you need to learn how many edges, how many faces, how many corners, how many vertexes, all this. So first you read the lesson, Nana. Once you read the lesson before going to start doing the exercise. Okay, okay children, take care, bye.